Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. We're looking at these two fantastic WEJOY camping chairs. Now, you can see when I set them side by side, this is the large one, has a much larger, taller back, and then the smaller one here is made a little bit shorter, probably a solid 6 inches difference in sitting height. Now, I'm 6'3", 225 pounds, and I actually sit a little bit better in the larger chair because it has a higher back. Now, there's also other subtle differences besides the back. This one is an aluminum, which is lightweight, easy to fold, and really a fantastic design for travel. This one is more of an alloy steel, which makes it wildly durable and fantastic, and it even has a nice carrying strap. So you gotta figure out which is the one for you based on your size. Now let me go ahead and show you in here. Again, at 6'2", 220 pounds, I still have plenty of room here to relax, and that high back doesn't hit me across the shoulder blades, so I can be comfortable. The shorter one, also fantastic, but certainly a little bit smaller design. For me, I sink down a little bit, but it's a nice chair, not quite as wide either, but I fit into it just fine. So pick out the one that's best for you based on your body type. Do you want the extra large or the regular size, the aluminum or the alloy? They're both fantastic. Go ahead and pick them up. You won't be disappointed. Now let's stick around and check out the rest of the video. So I absolutely love these durable, sophisticated, and stylish chairs. You can see they are truly lightweight, a big armrest, and these are going to be great for things like 4th of July, a day at the beach, or a day at the lake. All right, so if you want to sit down, not have to worry about tipping, you're at the sports game, you're at soccer, you're at football, you want a good chair, you're in the bleachers at your son's baseball game, well, these chairs are gonna be fantastic. You can see they easily fold up, then they are very secure, no wobbling at all, and these are just a nice chair. Now remember that you can go through the listing, available on Amazon with Amazon Prime, and you know all those benefits. You can go through the listing and pick out a variety of colors as well. So pick out the perfect color for you and the family, maybe husband and wife, pick out the right sizes, get the ones that you need, get a two-pack, you won't be disappointed. All right, stick around for the up-close portion of the video. All right, folks, this is the up-close portion of the video. These are the WEJOY folding chairs. You can see a very nice logo right there. Some of the things that are nicest about this, the oversized chair has protectant feet to keep it from tipping, rolling, etc., etc. It also has a very sturdy armrest that's plenty large for you to relax with. Now the smaller version of the chair, also nice. You can see the oversized and the regular size, kind of the difference in sizing. Now they do come in a variety of colors. They're comfortable and easy to use. One of the big selling points for this is how lightweight they are. They're lightweight and easy to carry. You can take these out to the fireworks, to the beach, to any kind of show. 4th of July, these are going to be great chairs for you to take with you. All right, you can see a durable mesh material. Water's not going to soak into that. That's going to be a big advantage. And of course, WEJOY is a reputable company that's been around for a long period of time. Let me go ahead and turn these around so you can get a different feel for the lighting. But yeah, what a beautiful chair. Easy to fold, sophisticated, chic, and high quality. One thing about folding chairs like this is they're able to support a lot of weight, a traditional style, and they fold away to where you can put them in the garage or put them in the back of the car without taking up a ton of space. So yeah, folks, if you're looking for a great chair, go ahead and pick these up. You will not be disappointed. My name again, Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products that we love, and guess what? These ones are fantastic. Thanks again for watching. Go ahead and pick them up, and adios, amigos.